So the AI also has its own dedicated app store. So when you want to sync from different sources, so it can also connect to structured sources like databases, but Google Drive, Confluence, SharePoint, all of that's something that the system can sync with, right? So if you select a Google Drive, you just need to give it the drive folder ID or a specific file. Similarly for SharePoint, Confluence, other sources can be installed, and then the AI in the background will auto sync every 24 hours with that particular source. So you can actually add data from various kinds of sources, and in the settings section you can also go ahead and provide it like all kinds of things like context and what kind of AI agent it is, and user, like for that particular interaction or conversation, user specific context can be added. Similarly, when you use the tools or the agents, like it can look up other systems. I know there are a lot of other systems that you have. So if I switch, like it can also look up the internet. So if I switch on, there's the internet tool here, or knowledge base and internet. It'll actually look up in real time internet sources for the answer. But let's do the balance tool first. So if I say I want balance of account ID, so this is where it could actually, if a user is not logged in, the system can actually choose to auto validate him based on criteria that you provide him. So I say these are my, and you don't even need to give it any structure. You just give it that, okay, these things are needed for validation. I provided two of the three, so name and email. It's going to ask for my phone number automatically. I can go ahead and give that. So it's capable of talking to any API or system at the back. And there we go. I can also go ahead and talk to, and let's say knowledge base plus internet. So it will use both internet and its own internal knowledge that we upload in the system. So I'll ask how rich is Warren Buffett. And what the AI is going to do now is going to go look up the internet, also look up the knowledge base at the same time, and throw out the answers. It's saying, okay, the net worth of $138 billion according to Bloomberg Billionaires Index. And if I open it up, there we go. So this is all the relevant sources. So Business Insider, Forbes, Celebrity Net Worth, and you can also control which sources. So that's in the settings area. You can decide which sources are allowed and which are not allowed.